Now we are going to learn about circles. If we draw a circle on a rectangular plane anywhere on, so you see that this point is called the center of the circle. Suppose the coordinate here, the center of the circle is A comma B. So this is the center of the circle. And we know that the radius, the distance from the center to anywhere on the boundary is same, and it is called the radius of the circle. So this is the radius. And if we have to draw the equation of the circle, we need the coordinates of its center and its distance to the boundary, center to boundary, that is radius. And we can write the circle equation as x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to the radius square. So this is the equation of the circle, and you can say that here a and b are the center, the coordinates of the center of the circle, and r is the radius of the circle. So now if we are given any center and the radius, we can write down the circle equation, and if you are given the circle equation, we can find the center and radius. For example, if this is given x minus 1 square plus y square is equal to 25, find the radius and the center. Radius and the center of this circle. So we know that it is, so just equate this equation with this circle equation, y minus b square is equal to r square. So here a is equal to 1, right? And can we write y square as y minus something square? Can I write this as y minus 0 square? So from here you can say that b value is 0. So we get the center is 1 comma 0, and right hand side we need r square. So can I write right hand side as 5 square? So if you do so, we get r value is 5. So the radius of the circle is 5 units, and the center coordinates are 1 comma 0. And if this is a circle and this is a center, this distance is called the radius. And if you have a one straight 2 points A and B, where the midpoint of A and B is the center of the circle, then this AB is called the diameter of the circle. So diameter is double the radius, and it passes through the center of the circle. So this is about the circle. Thank you so much.